In this slide, we are going to see about number system. A number system is a way of counting and calculating the value of things, which is used to calculate the numbers. Many number system and numeric codes are used in digital technology. These are the different uh, number system which are used in digital technology. Decimal numbers. It is a normal number where the humans are using 0 to 9. Binary numbers, zeros and ones, which is in a digitally used format. Next, octal number system, which is 0 to 7. Octal number, 8. Octal means 8. Octa, 0 to 7. Binary, 2, 0 and 1. Decimal, 10, 0 to 9. Next, hexadecimal, 0 to 9, A to F. 0 to 9, A to F. Totally 16. So this is 16, 8, 2, and 10. Okay. So 16 digit, 8 digit, 2 values, then 10. The decimal system is clearly the most familiar to use because it is a tool that we humans use every day. So it is 0 to 9. We are using the numbers as 0 to 9. So human numbers. The other number system are used with digital computer. All other numbers are used with the digital computer. Okay. So these are used in digital. The first 16 number of decimal number, binary, octal, hexadecimal system. So decimal we know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It goes up to 15. 0 to 15. Next, binary. Binary, how the 0 will be represented as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. It will go like this. See here, it is the alternate zeros. See here, see the least significant bit. Alternate zeros and ones. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then the second value, 2021. The third value will be 4041. And the fourth value will be 8081. This is for easy remembrance. Okay, see here, if you are writing a 16-bit value, first the least significant bit, the first bit will be 0101. It will go like that. The second value will be 20. Second value 20. Third value 4041. 4041. Third value, fourth value, that is fourth value 808. Next, octal. Octal, I already told you, base is 8. The base is 8. So it will go up to 0 to 7. We already seen in the last slide. Then you have to write 10, not 8, 9. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It will go up to. Next, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal, it will start from 0 to 9, then A to F. Okay, 0 to 9, there is no 11, 10, 12, 10, 11, 12. It will goes from A to F. So the place value. What is meant by place value? Consider the decimal number 1, 2, 3. So this has been expressed as, it has a 100. See here, 100, 220s, and 1, 3. 1, 2, 3 will be converted as 100. It contains 100. Then 220. So 220, 2 into 20, 20 2 into 10, 20. 2 tens. It contains 2 tens. So 20, then 3. So we can. So see here, what is meant by most significant bit, least significant bit. For example, I am writing a number 5, 4, 3. So the leftmost digit, this is left, right? So the leftmost digit will be considered as most significant bit. Most significant bit. The rightmost bit will be considered as least significant bit. The rightmost will be considered as least significant bit. Okay. So see here, I'm writing a number. See, note that, see, here I am having a number 1000, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 0. So which is most significant bit? Leftmost bit. So this will be most significant. So see here, least significant, rightmost bit. This is least significant bit. So see here, 10 to the power 0 is 1, 10 to the power 1 is 10, 10 to the power 2 is 100, 10 to the power 3 is 1000. So decimal point. Then 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 1, 0, 0.1, 10 to the power minus 2, 0.02, 10 to the power minus 3, 0.003 to 1. Okay, so this is least significant bit, this is most significant bit. Note that in a multi-digit decimal number, each position has a value that is 10 times the value of the next position to its immediate right. In other words, every position can be expressed as 1, 2, 3. For example, take this number 1, 2, 3. 1 into 10 to the power 2. 1 into 10 to the power 2. So we can write like this. 2 into 10 to the power 1. 3 into 10 to the power 0. So what is 10 to the power 2? 10 to the power is 2 is 100. So 1 into 100 is 100. Okay. Then 2 into 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1 is 10. 2 into 10. What is the value? 20. Then plus 3 into 10 to the power 0. 3 into 10 to the power 0 is 1. 10 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 100. 1 into 100. 2 into 10, 20. 120 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We can write like this. Thus we find the value. Thus we find that value of various positions in the decimal number system are powers of 10. This number is called as base or radix of the system. This is the base number of the system. Power of 10 is the base number of the system. Thus the decimal number has the base of 10. For the decimal, the digit to be extreme right is referred to as least significant bit. So extreme right to be represented as least significant bit, least significant digit or bit, because its positional value is weight is lowest, the lowest weightage of the value. This is 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 1, and this is 10 to the power 0. Okay. Next, the most significant bit. The leftmost bit is the most significant digit because the positional value is highest. Right? So now the number conversion. So we have some conversion. We can convert binary to decimal, decimal to binary, octal to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to binary, binary to octal, hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal. So these are the conversion we are going to see in the next slide. Okay.